Hello guys, Teacher Reese here. Today we're going to try and improve our vocabulary. We're going to go through 10 basic adjectives and try and think of some more advanced synonyms. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1, very hot. Instead of saying very hot, you can say scorching, scorching. For example, I went on holiday to Spain last week. It was scorching. Number 2, very cold. Instead of very cold, we can say freezing, freezing. For example, make sure you wear a thick coat tomorrow. It's going to be freezing. Number 3, very nervous. Instead of very nervous, you can say anxious, anxious. For example, I'm feeling quite anxious about next week's exam. I hope I do well. Number 4, very exciting. You can say exhilarating, exhilarating. For example, my dad took me for a spin in his new sports car. It was exhilarating. Number 5, very sad. Instead of very sad, you can say devastated, devastated. For example, last weekend my favorite football team lost. I'm devastated. Number 6, very happy. Here you can say euphoric, euphoric. For example, skydiving is a euphoric experience. Number 7, very colorful. Instead, you can say vibrant, vibrant. For example, I went to an art gallery. They had lots of vibrant paintings. Number 8, very noisy. Instead, you can say deafening, deafening. For example, this club is deafening. I think I'm too old for this. Number 9, very fast. Instead, you can say rapid, rapid. For example, the cheetah was chasing the deer. It was rapid. Number 10, very bright. And instead, you can say dazzling, dazzling. For example, the sun is dazzling. I think I need my sunglasses. Today's vocabulary is at the B2 level, and you can also find all of the words on a PDF document down in a link below. And thanks for joining us, and hope to see you again soon. Bye!